Annyeong! Hello there, it's Micah. For today, I'll be sharing with you the second part of my Korea haul. If you want to know the things and some thoughts, stay tuned! So, kagaya ng sinabi ko nung una, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili kong K-pop merchandise and some snacks. And magsasabi rin ako sa inyo na ilang tips and share yung mga experience ko or namin during our trip in Korea. So first, share ko na sa inyo mga K-pop merchandise purchases ko. So, first is this. Ito na lang. EXO Photo Desk Calendar. So basically, calendar. So basically calendar 2017 to 2018. And ayun na mabukas. Ayun na lumabas. So ito yun. So yes, EXO. And speaking of EXO, magkakambak na sila. So EXO fans out there, let's support. Hashtag EXO. 2018 Photo Desk Calendar EXO. So, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo is for 2018 and for the 2017, 27 is for 2017. So, 2017, this January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, 2017 and 2018. EXO Saranghae! That's it for the photo desk calendar, EXO. And nung binili ko to, kasama yung sister ko, and bumili siya ng photo desk calendar din for GOT7. And sabi namin, discount. So, sabi ni Ajuma, ano na lang daw, parang pili kami ng any freebie which costs 4,000 Korean won. And ito yung pinili ko. 17. So, aside from EXO, 17. My second best boy group. So, basically, para lang siyang notepad. 17, Saranghae. Ayun. So, for the next item, it's from SM Town Co-Ex Mall. So, these are the things that I've got. The EXO popcorn. EXO gourmet popcorn. Yun. Kaya ko rin siya binili. Aside from, I'm an EXO fan, binili ko rin siya kasi pwede kong gamitin yung lalagyan niya. Pwede kong gamitin yung lalagyan. Tsaka ko na ito bubuksan kapag gusto ko na siyang kainin. Basically, ayaw ko pa siya buksan kasi sayang yung laman. BoA, TVXQ, Super Junior, Girls' Generation, Shiny, FX, EXO, Red Velvet, and NCT. First item at SM Town, and then this. Yes, guys, I gave in. alam ko nasa pricey side siya, pero wala eh, andun na rin ako. So, bilhin na and magagamit ko naman. So, I'll just put a picture here nung na-open yung umbrella and ito siya pag-open. Kyungsu! Yes. Foldable naman siya. So, okay. And nagamit ko na siya. So, and okay naman yung umbrella. Ayoko umalis ng SM Town na wala kang pinibili aside from the popcorn na magagamit ko, and there's Kyungsu right there and the other members. Pero basically, umbrella lang to ni Kyungsu. Umbrella to na si Kyungsu or si D.O. yung featured. And sabi rin ni Inay na bilhin ko na to kasi minsan lang naman pupunta sa Korea and minsan lang ako magka-K-pop magpa-fan girl. So for this purchase, nagkaroon ako ng freebie na Exoplanet number 3, the Exordium dot in Seoul SM Town product. So it's this. So nung inopen ko, meron siyang Chanyeol. For my bias in EXO, D.O., Chanyeol, Kai, Suho, Baekhyun, Sehun, Chen, Shumin, and Lay. That's my bias order in EXO. So back to my freebie. It's just a magnet bookmark. Yun. D.O. Saranghae. For my last K-pop merchandise purchase, it's this Chanyeol socks. And maybe you're wondering kung bakit hindi si D.O. Guys, walang D.O. socks dun sa binilhan ko. That's it for my K-pop merchandise purchases. So, for the Korean snacks, here it is. Basically, binili lang namin to lahat sa either sa Daiso or sa Namdaemun Market. Yung Daiso kasi doon, yung bagong open na Daiso doon is malapit lang sa hotel namin. So, of course, we checked it out and makita nyo rin yung Daiso in Korea dun sa isa kong vlog, which is up by now. So, check nyo lang yung Korea vlogs ko and enjoy watching. So now, Korean snacks. So first is binili namin doon is ramen. Korean ramen. Jin ramen mild. Next is this Lotte Gana chocolate. Next is Maxim Cafe Caramel Macchiato. This Korean chocolate chip cookie. This crunchy wafer chocolate bar. Lotte product siya and basically ganito siya. Yun. Yung mga yun is binili namin sa Daiso Myeongdong. And the last two items, binili namin siya sa Namdaemun Market. Honey butter almond and yogurt almond. So, yun. Masarap siya. Guys, pag nagpunta kayong Korea, try nyo to. And lahat nung Korean snacks na binili namin. And hindi to lahat nung snacks na binili namin. Meron pang iba, kaya lang medyo late na ako nag-film and ito na lang yung natira na pamigay ng iba, kinain na. So that's it for the Korean snacks. And now, I'll be sharing with you some tips and our experience in Korea.